Hello, my name is Alex Spencer and I'll be explaining my parking garage code to showcase usages of static and non-static variables and methods. First, we'll start off with the static variables. We have two public static final integers for the number of floors and the number of spots, which equals a number times the number of floors. We also have a static integer of occupied spots. Then in our cars class, we have a string for the color, a string for a brand, and an integer for the number in the lot. Then we have the car constructor, which takes a color, a brand, and assigns it to the car. It also adds a count to the number of occupied spots, and it takes the number in lot equal to the occupied spots when the car is created. Then we have a details, which is non-static, so only a car object can access it. And if the number in the lot is greater than the number of occupied spots, the system will say the garage is full, so it's not in the parking lot. Else, the system will say the color of the car, the brand of the car, and its number in the parking garage. Then we have a static method, which is the occupants. If the number of occupied spots is greater than the number of spots in total, the system will say that there are no spaces available. If the number of cars in the lot is equal to the number of spots, the system will print out the parking garage is now full. Otherwise, we have an instance integer of how many spots are going to be left, which is just the number of spots minus the occupied spots, and then it will print out how many spots are occupied and how many spots are empty. Now back to the driver, we have 6 car classes here created. And we have a car's occupants, which is our static method, and then the non-static method on 2 of the car objects. So if we run it, there are 6 cars in the parking lot, and 84 are empty. The color is yellow, and it's a Subaru for number 6, which is Zeta, and Gamma is a red Nissan, and it's number 3 in the lot. That is my explanation for static and non-static variables in my parking garage code.